Hello everyone, I'm Brittany Gackham, Director of Admissions. Welcome to Washington Academy.
The Academy was founded in 1792 and is one of the oldest institutions in the nation. We celebrate more than 225 years of excellence in education.
This is our alumni building. This beautiful brick building is home to many of our academic classes. Let me show you around.
Our daily schedule is similar to a university or college. Washington Academy students have the opportunity to take up to 8 classes per year, 4 classes in the fall, and 4 new classes beginning in the spring. Here in our science labs, students become acquainted with the important concepts of science to guide them towards independent thought. We offer integrated science along with biology, chemistry, physics, and engineering, all with lab. Honors and advanced placement courses are offered in biology, chemistry, and physics. With an emphasis in the area of conservation, energy resources, environment, and new scientific technology, students in coastal ecology take an active role in the Downey Salmon Federation's restoration of Atlantic salmon. Marine biology students research marine life at the Downey Institute, a state-of-the-art marine research facility less than 30 miles from our campus. A student favorite, Outdoor Leadership, is an environmental class taught by Master Main Guide and WA faculty, Mr. Sunday. In this program, students learn about potential outdoor career fields: forest and forestry, canoeing, camping technique, survival priorities, navigation, and basic first aid. With completion of this course, students may take the Main Guides test for certification. In addition to classwork, our students take advantage of many extracurricular clubs offered: Sustainability Club, Envirothon, Math Team, and Fly Fishing, just to name a few. From science to math, let's have a peek in the mathematics department. Our dedicated math department is committed to student success. The Academy offers courses in Math Foundations, Algebra 1, Algebra 2, Geometry, Business Math, as well as Advanced Placement, AB and BC Calculus. Do you really love math? Join the math team. This year, the math team placed first in the conference championship and qualified for the state championship.
Welcome to the Larson Library.
In addition to the hundreds of books on the shelves, more than 10,000 titles are available in the WA e-Library. The e-Library provides 24/7 access to resources, ebooks, research databases and instruction, along with classroom project resources. The Larson Library offers classroom instruction, providing project workspaces and supplies, quiet study areas, and group study, meeting spaces with technology support. The school librarian and media specialist is also the online college course coordinator. More than 50 juniors and seniors take online courses to get a head start on their college education. From the alumni building, we are going to walk over to the Gardner Gymnasium.
Here we are in the Gardner Gymnasium, often referred to as the Fine Arts or FA building by staff and students.
Washington Academy offers more than 100 classes in total. Here in the Fine Arts building, the arts and humanities are the main focus, from English 9's Shakespeare to American, British, and world literature to advanced placement literature and composition, along with university public speaking, complemented by an after-school drama club. No education is complete without the social sciences. Washington Academy offers a variety of history and humanities subjects, including new student seminar, government, and U.S. and world history. From humanities to the arts, welcome to Washington Academy's Visual Art program.
Welcome to the Art Studio, where light enters the room on 3 sides, providing perfect lighting for any project.
Whether learning the basics of the color wheel, shading, brush techniques, or learning a new medium, Washington Academy has the support for you. We offer Art 1, 2, and AP Studio Art to focus on your portfolio, along with the ever-popular digital art and animation. Also featured in our newsletter Raider Reader, the Artist of the Month showcases Washington Academy's budding artists. Whatever your artistic bent, Washington Academy provides a creative outlet for expression.
Welcome to the music room.
The music program at Washington Academy focuses on helping students reach their musical potential, creating an outlet for creativity and self-expression. The room features 3 pianos and is equipped with private practice rooms. Course offerings in band, chorus, lab band, and guitar that include 3 fine art performances in addition to music festivals, conferences, and state competitions. Extracurriculars include a cappella, jazz band, pep band, and Tri-M, Music Honor Society. This is the Gardner Gym, home of the Raiders. To be a true Raider, you must attend a game here in the gym with the crowd cheering, the pep band blaring the school song, and that buzzer-beating shot as it swishes in the net. The Gardner Gym is home to our physical education classes. You can also catch our sports teams practicing here after school. From art to music to dance, the gym is also home to cultural dance and movement, a popular class among students. Dance education enables students to discover their own ideas, thoughts, and feelings through the medium of dance. This course provides an outlet for lifelong fitness and promotes movement and dance as lifelong fitness strategies. Students display their fine arts talents through performances in the fall, winter, and spring. WA's exciting Pops Night is an annual student showcase. The Wellness Center is available to all students after school. Because exercise is important, Washington Academy implemented a personal fitness program, a class dedicated to exercise through movement and participation. We believe a healthy lifestyle is very important, and as a student, this is the right time to build that foundation. From the Wellness Center, we'll go to our Industrial Arts building. Let's go. Experiential learning is the focus in our career tech, industrial arts, and marine technologies programming. Courses offered include modern day apprenticeship, marine and automotive vocation, computer applications and architectural design, coding, and computer-aided design. Now we are going back to the old academy, the first building on campus, dating back to the 1800s.
Hola! Welcome to Spanish.
This colorful classroom is home to Spanish. Here at WA, we offer foreign language study in both Spanish and Chinese. Cultural diversity is an important part of who we are at Washington Academy.
In addition to academic programming, we offer nearly 20 varsity sports, with 6 recent state championships, including volleyball, soccer, and baseball. We also offer more than 25 clubs and activities.
Many of our Washington Academy Raiders are 3-season athletes, enjoying numerous extracurricular activities all year long. Our competitive sports teams can be seen playing on the Adian and Leon Look baseball field, the newly resurfaced Foster softball field. Here are our beautiful tennis courts. Next, we move towards the newest addition to campus, the Machias Savings Bank Community Field, home to the boys and girls soccer teams as well as the football team. You can also catch our Raiders running on the campus cross-country trail. You will always find an active Raider on our 75-acre campus.
Welcome to the Talbot dormitory, our boys' dormitory.
This dorm is located near the Foster softball field and the Machias Savings Bank community field. Talbot is home for up to 48 boys, with almost all of the dormitory rooms being double occupancy. In Talbot, the boys have all the comforts of home.
Here we are at the Kate's dormitory, our girls' dormitory on campus.
Located next to the alumni building, Kate's is home for up to 32 girls. As you can see, they love to have fun cooking and playing games together. In addition to our boys and girls dormitories, a number of staff and faculty live on campus, including the head of school and dean of residential life. The beauty of campus in the fall is unlike any other. The changing of the seasons, the gorgeous color of the leaves. Enjoy a classic New England experience.
Thank you for touring campus. Remember, there's a place for you at Washington Academy.
If you are interested in attending Washington Academy or would like more information on how to apply or the scholarships available, contact us by email at admissions@washingtonacademy.org or by phone at 207-255-8301, extension 207.